Well, happy Monday once again, everyone. Bryan Devore, Devore Realty Group, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties, with yet another Monday market moment on September 9th. And this week, we're going to discuss the fact that the market is a mixed bag. We have the North San Diego County Association of Realtors Home Desk report, and that's going to tell us how the market is a little bit of a mixed bag right now. First, let's look at the latest stats. Right now, we have 4,900 homes for sale, and even 4,900 homes for sale, 30 more than we did last week, with the median list price of $997, a little lower than it was. Average days on market 46, no change. 2,219 homes are in escrow. That's down 18 from last week, with the median list price of $889, lower than the week before. Average days on market 32. Months of inventory went up quite a bit. 2.45 was 2.24, so it did jump up, and we'll learn why in just a moment. Here's the chart that shows total actives and total pendings, and it's been kind of hovering around the same level, total actives and total pendings, the last few weeks. How many homes came on the market last week? 728, 28 more than the week before. Median list price is $950, and that is down from the homes that went on the market the week prior. New pendings 326, that's down 27 versus last week, so more homes came on the market, fewer homes went into escrow. Median list price $872,449, lower than the ones that went into escrow the week before. Average days on market 29, 5 more days. That's an interesting sign. More market time, or higher market time than the week before. New pendings listed within the last week 13. New pendings listed within the last 2 weeks 106. So 4% of homes sold in a week or less, 32% in 2 weeks or less. We had 296 homes close escrow. It's a big drop of 70, which is why the months of inventory went up, because the total number of sales went down by quite a bit, by 70. Median list price $907,450, higher than the week before. Median sales price $902,500, also higher than the week before. But you can see the median list price higher than the median sales price. Average days on market, no change, 26. The least expensive sale was in San Diego, $135,000. Rancho Santa Fe, once again, had the most expensive sale, $6 million. Here's a chart showing new actives, new pendings, and new closed sales. We had a rebound, the number of new listings that came on the market, which usually it's continuing to go down like it was a couple weeks ago, but it actually went up. Kind of interesting, especially with Labor Day. And we did see the big drop in the total number of pendings, the homes that went pending last week versus the weeks prior. So the fewest homes went pending. That could also be because of Labor Day, and the fewest closed sales in a while. Again, we only had 4 days last week to actually close escrows. Here's the median list price and median sales price chart, so you can see how that stacks up to the weeks prior. Here is the Home Desk report, which breaks the county up into 4 quadrants: East County, Metro, which is downtown and areas around there, North County, and South County. And you can see a couple of the areas of the county had a higher median sales price, but actually we saw in North County a drop in the median sales price, 1.6%. First time we've seen a drop in quite a while. Percentage of original price received went down, meaning the bigger discrepancy between the list price and the sales price. Days on market, though, is up for every single quadrant. Only 14% in East County, but up 53% in South County. Closed sales was kind of mixed. Higher in East County, lower in Metro and North and South. So here's East County. You can see the homes for sale. We have more homes for sale now than we did last year, but fewer than the year before that. Closed sales is a little bit higher than it was last year, lower than it was the year before that. In Metro, we actually have almost as many homes for sale now as we did 2 years ago, and way more than we did last year. Number of closed sales, a little bit lower this year versus last year, and still lower than the year before. In North County, still not getting up to the level we had of inventory a couple years ago, but we have more inventory now than last year. Closed sales is continuing to go down year after year in North County. I think prices are just getting really tough for people to swallow. In South County, we actually have more homes for sale this year than last year, but not by much, but still way fewer than the year before. Closed sales, just a little dip of this year versus last year. And again, these are for August numbers. Okay, so how is the market? A little bit of a mixed bag. If we compare some of the zip codes, and I took one zip code from each of those quadrants, We take a look at median sales price in August in the 1-year change, the percentage of original price received, days on market, and closed sales. If you look in La Mesa in South County, or East County, you have 13.1% price increase versus last year. Big increase, but a decrease in the percentage of original price received, a huge increase in the days on market, and yet we still had more sales this year versus last year. Even though with the big price increases and the higher days on market, we still had more homes closing escrow. University City, which is kind of in the central area, a huge increase in the median sales price, 49% jump out of 29 closed sales, which was lower by almost 10% than the year before. Original price percentage of original price received was down. Market time was up big time. So conflicting messages within each zip code. Escondido, North County, increase of price by 3.1%. Percentage of original price received actually went up 1%, but days on market went down 7%. It's actually fewer days on market in this particular zip code than in other zip codes. And closed sales was up almost 100% to 22. That's a hot market right now. Chula Vista, that's a South County, increase in median sales price by 8%. Percentage of original price received was down. Days on market, look at that, up 134.8%. Big increase. Now, total number of days is still not that much, right? 31 days, not a lot of days on market, but closed sales was down 17.5%. So you really have to look in each zip code and really understand what the market's doing in each one. Can't just paint a broad brush stroke for the market and say, okay, well, the market in San Diego is doing this or that. It really dives into each particular zip code, and this report is good at that. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. If you want the Home Dex report, I'm happy to send it to you so you can see what your zip code is doing. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Hope you have a great week. I look forward to seeing you next Monday. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching Monday Market Moment with Bryan Devore. To request a transcript of this report, please send an email to Bryan@DevoreRealtyGroup.com.